In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Charles Schwab account number on app. Whether you're on Android or iPhone, the process is the same and only takes a minute. Start by opening the Schwab app and logging in. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that step as usual so you're fully signed in. Once you're on the home screen, tap the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, or go straight to the account section if you see it on your screen. From there, look for the option labeled Move Money. This is the area Schwab uses for transfers and direct deposits, and it's where your account and routing details are grouped for convenience. Inside Move Money, tap Routing Numbers and Direct Deposit. This section is designed to help you set up payroll or transfers, so it's the closest place in the app to view the details you need. If you have more than one account, you'll see a drop-down at the top. Tap it and select the specific account you're trying to identify. Picking the right account here matters because each account has its own unique number. On this screen, you may see your account number displayed, sometimes as part of a longer string of numbers. It might appear alongside routing numbers used for ACH or wire transfers, so take a second to read the labels carefully. The routing numbers are different from your account number. Your Schwab account number itself is typically 8 digits, often shown in a format like 1234 to 5678. If you notice a longer sequence, the core 8 digits may be embedded within it. Now, an important heads up, the app often does not show the full account number clearly, and that's intentional for security. You might see only partial digits or a masked version with some numbers hidden. This is normal and helps protect your information, especially if your screen is visible to others. If the number is masked or you simply can't find it on this page, you're not doing anything wrong. At that point, the best move is to contact Schwab support. They can securely verify you and provide the full account number. You can reach them directly from within the app's help or support area to keep everything in one place. To recap, open the app and log in. Go to the menu or accounts, tap Move Money, choose routing numbers and direct deposit, and select your account from the drop